Welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous 15 chapter focus on the history and we completed that basic prelims question of history. So let us start with the new subject, that is the Indian polity. The first topic is Indian Constitution. You know that the Indian Constitution is very important because the government is how to govern is known, and what is the right given to the people, and what is the procedure for that is given. And you know that the Indian Constitution is starting making in 13th December 1946 and completed in 26 November 1949. So let us start with the basic prelims questions and consider the following statements. Every citizen in India entitled to equality before law and equal protection of law. This statement is correct because Article 14 describes all that. To ensure its full enjoyment, inequality in all forms present in the social structure has been prohibited. This statement is also correct because this is deal with Article 15. Our constitution assures quality of status and opportunity of every citizen of development of waste in him or her. Yes, political equality through given in terms of the vote, but it is not found in the all sphere of the political power. These statements are incorrect because you know that having equal voting power, having the equal qualification of the MLA, MP, and other things. So, four statements are incorrect. Equality before law, in order to be effective, requires some economic and education based or grounding. This statement is also correct. Equality substitutes democracy in the justice. Yes, that constitution provide for the right of equality under Article 14, not in Article 11. So seventh are incorrect statement. Asking about correct statement is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. So answer is B. Which one of the following is not included in the state list in the Constitution of India? In the state list, police is there, yes, law and order is there, criminal procedure code is included in the concurrent list. So C is incorrect statement. Prison is also there. So asking about not included in state list, so answer is C. Which one of the following countries do not have constitutional provision requiring federal government to transfer its resources to states? India is there, Canada is there, Australia is there, but USA is not there. USA is a federal country but not bound to transfer the state because state itself is the having a special budget and so on. So answer is A. Consider the following statements. Regulating Act 1773 into the dual government. Yes, you know the previous having the dual government system, Diwani rights given and the Faujdari right is given. So this system is ended. Government of India Act in the company rule in India. Yes. Indian Council Act 1861 ushering in the cabinet system of government in India. This statement is also correct. Charter Act of 1793 foundation of written laws interpreted by the court. This statement is also correct. So asking about which of the pair is correctly matched. So answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Who among the following is known as the father of the local self-government in India? You know that the father of the local self-government in India is Lord Ripon, not Mahatma Gandhi, not Lord Canning and not Wellesley. So the answer is Lord Ripon. Answer is C. Choose the following is true. As opposed to a monarchy, our constitution preferred to remain a republic. Yes, the office of the head of the state is elective. You know the president is elected. So answer is 2 correct. Political equality to its chief message. Yes, any sort of hereditary rule is thus regarded as a disvalue in India. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statement. So answer is D. The word socialist was added to preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act. So answer is A. To achieve the objective of socialism, in which part of the principles have been specified, been outlined. You know that in DPSP, given the socialist principle, I know that DPSP have been the part 4 of our constitution. So answer is B. Consider the following statements with secularism in India constitution and legal system. All minority communities are granted the right to conserve their distinctive culture and right to administer their educational institutions. These statements are correct. The Supreme Court in the SR Mumbai Union of India held that secularism was the integral part of the basic structure of the constitution. These statements are correct. Secularism is a value in the sense that it supports our plural society as it aims at promoting incoherence among the different communities living in India. These statements are incorrect because it promotes coherence among the different communities living in India. So correct statement is 1, 2, 3. So answer is C. Consider the following statements with regard to the Chart Regulating Act 1773. Subjected to companies' action to supervision to British government, yes. End of dual government, yes. Governor of Bengal to be considered as a Governor General of British Territory of India, yes. Establishment of Supreme Court in India, yes. Calcutta. The servants of the company were forbidden to engage in private trade except presence of bribe, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which one of the following statements are not correct? The Charter Act 1853 was enacted in the wake of timely renewal of 20 years of each Charter Act. Yes, the number of the member of the Court of Directors was reduced from 24 to 15, which 6 were to be nominated by Crown. This type of statement is incorrect because this is not a statement about the Charter Act 1853. The act renewed the power of the company and allowed it to retain possession of Indian territories in trust of the British Crown, but not for a specific period. These statements are correct. The centralized power was given as a thought in the act with contemplation of divided power of separate ruling. Yes. So asking what incorrect statement, so answer is B. Which of the following articles declares it as duty of every citizen of India to promote harmony and spirit of the common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, religion or sectional diversity? This is described in Article 15A Part E. So answer is C. With reference to the fundamental duties, consider the following statements are correct. Our constitution to prescribe some duties to the performed by the citizen, yes. All the duties through the not enforceable in nature but reflected some basic values too, yes. It highlights the values like patriotism, nationalism, humanism, environmentalism, discipline, harmonious living, feminism, scientific temper, inquiry, and individual collective excellence. These statements are correct. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is A. Consider the following statement. The Constitution grants the power to the Parliament to admit into Union of India in new state. Yes. Constitution grant the power to the Parliament to establish new state. Yes. So 1 and 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. The Parliament comprises the President of the India. Yes. The two house, first is Lok House, House of the People, yes. Second is Raj Sabha, that is the Council of State, yes. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. 16. Money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. So only one is correct statement. So answer is A. With reference to the equal power of the Lok Sabha with the Raj Sabha, consider the following statement. Equal power with the Raj Sabha in initiating the passing any bill for constitutional amendment by a majority of total members of the House and at least two-thirds of majority of the members present and voting. These statements are correct in the case of the impeachment of the president having the equal power. In case of the impeachment of the judge of the Supreme Court, High Court also have the equal power. In the case of the declaring bar and national emergency having equal power with Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. With reference to the adult franchise in India Constitution, consider the following. Every citizen who is 18 years of the age or more is entitled cast his her vote irrespective of his her caste, creed, sex, religion or place of birth. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. As per Article 15 of the Indian Constitution, the qualification of for being a member of the Lok Sabha is that he should be the citizen of India, has taken an oath given under the third schedule of the Constitution. Yes. Also, she must be at least 25 years of age. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is C. A member can be disqualified of being a member of parliament if she hold office of profit. Yes. If she undischarged insolvent. Yes. If he is the unsound mind, not sound mind. So these statements are incorrect. If she gave the citizens of India or under allegiance adherence to the foreign state. Yes. Disqualification under Representation of the People Act. Yes. So 1, 2, 4 and 5 behavior take the disqualification of the being a member of parliament. So answer is B. Thank you.